Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the DOOGEE V40 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the sound and vibration. Then let's scroll and find phone ringtone, and as you can see here we've got the pop-out window with pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top, we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom, we've got the option Add Ringtone, and we can enter our own files. So if you've got something, for example, recorded or downloaded from the internet, it should appear somewhere here. Of course, check in other files, which are right there in the downloads, for example, and after finding, and if it is compatible, of course you will be able to set it as a ringtone. But let me focus on those which are pre-installed. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So I'll pick this one, and let me volume it down a little bit, maybe volume it down, not volume up, and this is how it works. I highly recommend to check all of them to be able to decide which one you like the most. Oh no, not this one. And let's pretend I'd like to set this one, so She's All That, as my ringtone. So all I have to do is to make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, and it means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.